The Healthcare Federation of Nigeria says it's making desperate moves to ensure the closure of the developmental gaps between public and private healthcare services in the country for better delivery of healthcare service. The Federation is setting the stage for its annual conference this week. Senior correspondent Jacqueline Ogo has more in this report. We'll return with business news after this.
The policymakers will be in the room.
The Healthcare Federation of Nigeria is a coalition of private healthcare practitioners desperate to see synergy in the nation's healthcare system to position it to meet local and international standards. Setting up the stage for its annual conference coming up this week in Lagos, the president of the coalition says ensuring the availability of drugs in the country will be one of the focal points for brainstorming.
A lot of our pharmaceuticals produce what we'll call very generic drugs. But what we need are specialized drugs. And not just any specialized drugs, but drugs that work for us as Africans, and in particular as Nigerians. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done to identify what needs to be, what is best for us and our people.
The tackling of emergency treatments is another pivotal area. The vice president of the Healthcare Federation of Nigeria says transportational collaboration by health institutions can also be a stitch in time that saves 9.
So for those hospitals that have ambulances sitting right in front, maybe there could be an app where other hospitals can see available ambulances, available beds in the ER, ICUs and so on, and be able to tap into it. So these are the kind of innovations that we're trying to bring together.
The need for Nigerian experts who have recorded huge medical success abroad to come back home to invest in the nation's health sector will also be top on the discourse during the conference, as well as duty-free importation of medical equipment and ingredients for drug production.
We're expecting the Comptroller General of the Nigeria Customs Service to come and speak to us about the collaboration between the World Customs Organization and the World Health Organization to create special corridors for expedited clearance of healthcare cargo.
Analysts of the nation's health sector say it needs reviving decisions, and the implementation of such decisions will be glaringly evident in the lives of the people who urgently need healthcare services. Jacqueline Ogo, TVC News, Lagos.